call. I was going to start. Okay.
I thought you were.
I thought you were going to.
I'm Justin,
I'm Eric,
and we're co-founders of Sonic Bloom.
and we met in elementary school.
We weren't friends for a while.
No.
You didn't invite me to your party.
Yeah, it was around high school. We started hanging out a lot, spending a lot of time.
Fast forward to after college, and we sort of ended up in similar careers working at video game companies. I worked at Harmonix, he worked at Innis. We decided to create Choreographer, which is a product that we made specifically for video game developers to enable the sort of experiences that we were creating at our respective companies. We learned a lot of lessons when we created Choreographer, and we applied those learnings to a new product called Bard.
With Bard, we took the technology that we built for Choreographer and enhanced it and expanded it to help people in a completely different industry from where we started. And in Bard, one of the things that we really wanted to focus on was to make it easier for people to find music that already exists out there for their products, whether it be a video on YouTube, commercial, or a wedding video.